Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the compatibility warning that appears when launching Forza Horizon 6, showing the error message, your graphics card is not supported. Let's get started. First, right-click the Start button and open Device Manager. Expand the Display Adapters section, then right-click your dedicated graphics card and select Properties. Go to the Driver tab and click Roll Back Driver if the option is available. This will restore your graphics driver to the previous stable version, which may resolve the issue for some users. If that doesn't work, open your web browser. If you're using an AMD graphics card, make sure you have AMD Adrenalin Edition 2.3.10.1.43 installed. If you don't, download it from AMD's official website and install on your PC. Next, open your game's installation folder. Right-click inside the game directory and choose Paste to place the downloaded file there. After copying the file, restart your computer. Once your PC has restarted, press Windows Plus or to open the Run dialog. Type %local app data % and press Enter. Inside the local app data folder, locate the Forza Horizon 6 folder, right-click it, and select Delete. Next, open the temp folder. Inside it, find the temp scratch folder, right-click it, and delete it as well. After deleting both folders, launch the game again. The compatibility warning stating your graphics card is not supported should now be resolved. That's it for this tutorial. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon so you never miss future updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.